Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to move pictures. As example, I will insert picture. You can go to insert, click on pictures and use this device. You can searching for your picture. As example, I will use this picture, click insert and it will be automatically appear in your document. Now, if you want to move picture, you can change for the light option. And then I will use this option in front of text. And if you move the picture, it be set in the front of the text. You also can change into another options like in this option, type. So this is for type. Or the other, you can set into stroke. And this is for stroke. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to move picture. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.